Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The Best Plastic Cups is probably one of the most versatile and essential items for any household or business, offering a convenient and cost-effective solution for a wide range of beverage needs, from iced coffees and smoothies to water and juices, ensuring that your drinks are always accessible and enjoyable on the go or at home, making them a staple for parties, events, or everyday use. Number 5. Fit Meal Prep 100-pack 24-ounce clear plastic cups with lids. Crafted from high-quality, clear PET plastic, these cups are built to last. They are not only durable but also completely free of harmful chemicals, making them a reliable choice for any beverage. Enjoy peace of mind with our tight seal, leak-proof lids. They are designed to prevent spills, making them perfect for transporting your drinks or for customers on the move. Get the most out of your purchase with our Ultimate Value Pack. This set includes 100 cups and 100 lids, perfect for stocking up your business or for your next party. Showcase your delicious beverages with exceptional clarity. These cups make your colorful drinks, shakes, and iced coffees look even more enticing. From parties and picnics to cafes and restaurants, these cups are incredibly versatile. They are ideal for a wide range of cold drinks and events. Made from PET plastic, these cups are recyclable. Dispose of them responsibly to help protect our environment. What we like. These cups are built to last, offering durability and reusability. The tight seal lids are perfect for preventing spills, making them ideal for on-the-go use. If you need reliable cups for your daily commute or a busy cafe, these are a great choice. What people say. These are durable and completely leak-proof. I use them for iced coffee and protein drinks, and they work perfectly for any cold beverage. I've washed and reused them several times, and they still look and perform like new. These cups are durable and not flimsy and good design, great size, easy to use, and won't leak unless you are dumping it upside down obviously. The cups are also high quality and not flimsy at all. I haven't run these through the dishwasher yet because I didn't buy them to keep. I do discard them after I use them, but I'm sure if they were hand washed, you could reuse them again. Number 4. Gusto 24-ounce clear plastic cups with flat lids, 100 count. Get everything you need with this 100 count set of clear plastic cups and flat lids. They are perfectly sized for all your favorite cold beverages, from iced coffee to smoothies. Made from premium PET plastic, these cups offer exceptional clarity and strength. Showcase your drinks beautifully without worrying about spills or cracks. Each lid fits snugly to prevent leaks and splashes, making them perfect for travel. Enjoy your cold drinks on the go with confidence. These cups are great for a wide variety of cold drinks, including iced coffee, bubble tea, and milkshakes. They are a perfect fit for any setting, from cafes to home use. Designed for convenience, these cups and lids stack neatly to save space. They are perfect for busy kitchens, catering, or event preparation. What we like. Showcase your drinks with exceptional clarity and strength. The stackable design makes storage a breeze, perfect for busy environments. If you're looking for cups that are both visually appealing and practical for storage and transport, consider these. What people say. Love the size, the durability, and the sturdiness. The double wall insulation not only keeps drinks colder for longer but also prevents condensation, ensuring a comfortable grip without any messy water rings. The lids are good quality and stay on while the cups are sturdy and hold up well. Number 3. SafeWare Clear 24 ounces disposable plastic cups with lids and straws. Enjoy your favorite beverages with our large 24-ounce cups. Each set includes lids and straws, offering a complete solution for your drink needs. These cups are incredibly versatile, ideal for iced coffee, smoothies, cocktails, and more. They are perfect for parties, picnics, or everyday use. Our cups are made from BPA-free, non-toxic materials, ensuring a safe drinking experience. They are also 100% recyclable and designed to preserve the taste of your drinks. Designed with a secure lid, these cups help prevent spills and messes. They are perfect for on-the-go or outdoor events where convenience is key. Cleanup is a breeze with these disposable cups. Despite being disposable, they are built to be sturdy and durable for a premium feel. Experience restaurant-quality cups in the comfort of your home or business. They add an upscale feel to any beverage service. What we like. Get everything you need in one package, including straws for added convenience. They are BPA-free and designed with a rolled rim for an upscale feel. If you're hosting a party or event and want a complete, hassle-free beverage solution, these are perfect. What people say. The lids fit perfectly, just need to ensure it's one lid and not two that are stuck together. Passed the till test. Kept the ice longer than expected, which means the beverage stayed cooler longer. The straws were nice too, very sturdy, not flimsy. They are sturdy, convenient, and a great size for serving groups. Cups are sturdy and don't collapse when you pick them up. Lids fit tight without leaking, which is a plus when traveling. Number 2. Lilymicky 60 sets 24-ounce clear plastic cups with flat lids. Get a convenient set of 60 cups, each holding 24 ounces. They are designed for your cold drinks, making them easy to handle and enjoy anywhere. Our cups feature a tight-fitting lid with a rolled rim design. This ensures a comfortable, leak-free experience, perfect for busy days or serving guests. Crafted from upgraded, thick and PET material, these cups offer exceptional clarity and durability. Their smooth finish and transparency beautifully showcase your beverages. These cups are ideal for a wide variety of cold drinks. From iced coffee and smoothies to boba and slurpees, they enhance the enjoyment of any beverage. Each package contains 60 cups and 60 lids. Please note these are made of PET material and are suitable for cold beverages up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like. Experience excellent quality with these smooth and durable cups. The leak-free design ensures a comfortable drinking experience, even for thicker beverages. If you prioritize a comfortable, spill-free experience for everyday use or serving guests, these are a solid option. What people say. They fit in all the cup holders, never leak, and the lids fit perfect every time. These are great quality, thicker than other brands, lid goes on well, and great to hold. Lids fit snug on cup. Cups are not flimsy at all. Number 1. 24 ounces disposable crystal clear plastic cups with lids and straws. Elevate your beverages with these elegant cups. Their rolled rim adds an upscale touch to any occasion, making every drink feel special. From refreshing juices and iced coffees to smoothies and cocktails, these cups are perfect for all your favorite cold drinks. They are designed to hold a wide variety of beverages. Enjoy your drinks with peace of mind. These cups are BPA-free, non-toxic, and fully recyclable, ensuring a safe and environmentally friendly option. Designed to preserve the true taste and aroma of your beverages, you can savor every sip. They are perfect for maintaining the quality of your drinks. These durable, disposable cups are restaurant quality and perfect for busy lifestyles. The snap-on lids fit securely, making them ideal for drinks on the go. Make your next party a hit with these convenient and stylish cups. They are a fantastic choice for serving guests and ensuring a hassle-free experience. What we like. These cups offer a restaurant-quality feel with an elegant look. The snap-on lids provide a secure fit, making them great for cold drinks on the go. If you want to add a touch of sophistication to your events or daily drinks, these are an excellent choice. What people say. Very sturdy, spill-proof cups with lids. Straws came individually wrapped. Perfect for taking yesterday's coffee and pouring over ice for an iced coffee. I love having these on hand for guests and my own use. Bring your own iced beverage with you. Water with lemon. Very refreshing. Travel mugs and water jugs need cleaning and clutter your cupboard. This stack nicely and are at the ready for a drink to go or take to the pool where glass is forbidden. The cups were a little bigger than I expected, but still enjoying using them every morning for my coffee. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.